Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Let's enjoy programming by learning more about Python. Okay, let's see where we were last time. We were lesson 2 today.
So last time, yes, it was your first step with Python. Open Google Colaboratry, and we started to print something, including numbers and character strings, including hello world. Okay, which you should do. Yeah, as I said. And also we tried to find how calculator works. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide using the Python uh, page. Okay, and started to use variables such as x. We saw how to assign 7 to x and print. Okay, so let's continue from where we were last time. So to do that, open the Colaboratry. From File menu, open Notebook and exercise 1. Okay, let's open it. Is it where we were? Yes. Okay. Now we are back to where we were. We could connect anyway. And then in the meantime, let's see where we were. Okay, we did calculations. And here we learned how to put 7 into x. Okay. To do to every time you connect, you should redo the box by clicking the box, clicking the arrow or shift enter. So that's now we have again x with the value 7. And also we check off it. So shall we resume here? Okay, homework was assigned 15 to y. Yeah, we have it here. Okay, we have done 1 and 1a. So, okay, let's see. That is the same. The rule is the same. Put y equals 15. This will put 15 to y. Now we have both x and y. So one way to print x and y is to just write x comma y. Now we have 7 as x and 15 as y. Good. We did this 1a. Add x and y. We did some calculation with numbers last time, but we also can calculate with variables. For example, if we write print print x plus y. Good. Now you know what it comes out. It prints out 22. Okay, naturally. Or just x plus y will give the same number. Good. So f strings. This is very, very useful. So now I tell you, we can write such as f quote or single double quote. Let's say x plus y equals x plus y. This curly bracket tells us that it should be replaced with x plus y. So let's see what it seems like. Okay, this seems x plus y equals 22. Likewise, we can write if you want. For example, f single quote curly bracket x plus curly bracket y equals curly bracket x plus y. Okay, yeah, this is also fine. In this case, these 3 numbers will be replaced with the real number values. So 7 plus 15 equals 22. Okay, don't forget to write f here and also single quotes. Okay, or single double quotes, fine. Then now we learn how to assign the calculated value into z. That's very simple, right? The, yeah, maybe you know that's it can be done like this. Yay! So of course, now we have 22 as z. Okay, this is how you naturally you can do multiply and add addition, and the result is assigned to z. Good. So next one thing you should remember is increasing x by one, or we use in computer world we call it increment by one. So in this case, of course, one way is to do this kind of calculation. X equals x plus one. This is mathematically wrong, but in this case, this equals means assignment operator. Assignment. So in this case, x plus one is calculated, and the result is assigned to x. So what is x? After running this box, we can see that the new x is now 8. Okay. Likewise, we can do the same thing with a shorthand writing as this. This is the same as box 12. Okay. So in this case, x is again incremented by 1. So now it is 9. Okay. So this is how to increment by 1. By 2, likewise. If we write this way, yeah, it will be incremented by 2. So this will, shall I write int this time? So this will, you predict what will come out. Okay, yes, right, 11. Fine. So I think you know the point. Now decrement by 1. Okay, that's the same. So example, minus equals, oh, sorry, minus equals 1 will be the same as x equals, oh, yeah, right. One way is very traditional way is this, okay? Minus 1. The space is optional. Okay, this will make it 10. Another way is to write minus equals, sorry, minus equal 1. This will make it 11. I mean 9. Sorry. Okay. Do you know? Do you understand that? Okay. X will be incremented or decremented as you like this way. Okay. Now you know most of the very important calculating method. Okay. So homework. That's 12, 25 to X and Y and Z. Then check the result. Before that, let's check the values. Okay, X. Okay, let's print the current values. What the current values are. Okay, X equals using X statement. We can write this way. Oops, maybe to show that space is optional. We didn't calculate the, so we should come back and calculate the. Let's do all the boxes. To do that, we can run time, run all boxes. Okay, this will redo everything in the beginning. So here, X starts with 7, Y starts with 15, and all the way down, X is up and down and up and down. And here, okay, this is the final current number, current values. X equals 9, Y equals 15, and Z equals 22. Now the assignment is let 25 to each, then check the results. Okay. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. And be sure to subscribe the channel. Okay. I like to hear also your comments. Okay. Thank you very much and hope we can see you again next time. Bye bye.